Okay guys, we're back with another quick tutorial video for you. This time we're going to talk about individual skip traces that was not possible before. Excuse me, it is possible now. We're very excited about it, so let me show you how to get it done. First things first, you have to make sure you're set up to even be able to purchase individual skips. They get priced and charged a little bit differently than bulk. Bulk skip traces, you go through the wizard, you pay at the end. Individual skip traces are done on a credit system, more like an arcade or a laundromat. You're going to charge up your account, and then you're just going to slowly deduct from that balance in your account as you buy individual skips. So let's make sure you're all set up for that. First, you're going to go under your name, hit the down arrow, and go to where it says Purchase Skips. And this is the schedule of pricing. These individual skips are sold in bundles. What you'll notice is that every bundle right now has the same price, but that's because we're in this introductory period. So we have promotional pricing across all the bundles. Eventually there will be a benefit to buying more. There will be volume pricing, but for now we're just going to choose this 50 skip bundle. Okay, we're going to go to a checkout, and it says that we're buying 50 skips for 15 cents each. Here's my total cost. I'm just going to check out with the credit card that I have on file. Boom, just like that. I now have 50 additional individual skips added to my account. Sometimes it takes a second for them to show up, but normally you can see them pretty quickly. Let's look. Okay, great. They're already there. So here I can see my skip balance. I know for a fact that I had 155 individual skips in my account before this. I now have 205. So the account now reflects the 50 skip purchase that I just made. Okay, so now let's go in and run one. So we're going to go back to the home screen. Okay, we always start here, and we're going to run this individual skip. You're just going to add in this address field the address of the property that you are pursuing, and I strongly advise guys that you use the type ahead. You're just going to get more accurate results that way. Okay, in terms of the name, if you have it, great. If you don't sweat it. We're going to do the work to try to find an individual associated with this property. In fact, for this example, I'm just going to leave the name blank just to show you how that works. Okay, so now once I have the address in, I'm going to hit skip now. And yeah, it's already done. Yeah, it's let's see if it's completed. Yeah, it's actually complete. Okay, so that was lightning fast, and you saw that right before your eyes. It doesn't always happen quite that fast, but this one was very, very quick. Sometimes what you will see happen is that it will bring back a core or a base record lightning fast like you saw, but it may continue to resolve over a few seconds, 30 or 60 or 90 seconds, filling in data as it's hitting all the different data repositories that we use. This one actually completed lightning fast, as you saw. Okay, so the thing I want to focus on though is two things. Number one, just like in the bulk skip trace, we are going to give you supplemental property data. So not just the contact information, phone and email, which you obviously want, but also this supplemental information that we have access to because of all the databases that we own. Okay, so that's really, really cool. The second thing I want to show you is this function, which is very, very cool, and that's the ability to move an individual record onto a list. I have a list, for example, here. It's called test list. And if I want to add this record, Miss Gardner, onto this list, I can do that once I hit copy. You're going to notice that the interface changes a little bit, and I get more granularity. I get more detail about the record. Watch what happens. Boom, done. So it's now been added to that list, meaning that I can now see the Google Street View, which is really cool, the Google Map itself, and of course I can still see all the great data. And then lastly, it's very, very easy for me to edit this record. I can just hit edit and come in here. Maybe this is not the person I've been dealing with. Maybe that's a relative, but Jane is who I've dealt with. Maybe I want to add a unit number. Maybe I want to change one of these phone numbers or add notes. All that can be done very, very quickly inside of this edit screen. So the addition of single skips is more than just making it so you can do a very small amount, just one at a time. It's also a lot of additional flexibility. So I hope you guys take advantage of it. I hope you like it. If you have questions on it, reach out to support. We're going to tackle some other features in upcoming videos. We'll see you then.